Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we are out. We are at the Container Store today to check out some things. We're here to pick up a few things, but I figured while I was here, I would do a little review of some of my favorite products. Now I know the Container Store has been through some ups and downs over the years. When I joined the company I used to work there in 2008. They were privately owned, and it was a really fantastic place to work. I left at 2015, and between 2008 and 2015, it was publicly traded. It became publicly traded, and things started to change around the store, I noticed. And in 2024, I do think they had to file Chapter 11, but I think that things are turning around for them. I do think they are now privately owned again. So I heard through the grapevine that they're going back to their roots, which I love to hear. All I want to see is organizing products. I don't want to see any of that extra stuff. I don't want to see robes. I don't want to see pillows. I don't want to see plates. I just want to see organizing stuff. So today we're here to talk about some of my favorite organizing products as an organizer at the Container Store. Let's go. Also, I have to say that the Container Store is pet friendly, so we are taking our little bean with us. So here he is. My first favorite thing at the Container Store are the boxes. I guess there are boxes, that's what they're called. Anyway, they are modular plastic clear boxes, translucent boxes, and they are amazing. They come in a bunch of different sizes, and they are modular to fit on top of one another. So two of these boxes can fit on top of a shoebox, and etc. etc. And they come in a really huge size, which is the jumbo box, which is like my favorite size for storing Christmas decorations, blankets, towels, anything, you name it. And the underbed box, so good. And these are really cost effective, especially when you're looking for storage. Of course, my favorite product in the Container Store is Elfa. It has been around for as long as I've been working at the Container Store. I think they acquired this in 1999, I want to say, from a company in Sweden who actually, I think they said, you know what, I don't know. But anyway, I love Elfa. It is a modular shelving system. And this, I'm standing next to this closet, is their Elfa Classic, but this is like the original version of Elfa. No special bells and whistles, nothing, just metal shelving. The greatest thing about Elfa is you can move the shelving up and down. You can adjust how many drawers you have. You can buy new pieces and like stick them anywhere when your needs change. It's so versatile, incredible. Comes in a few different finishes. This is the platinum finish. I do believe they have a new one called graphite, which is a darker finish, and there's a white. It is beautiful. There's also an Elfa Decor Plus, which is something a little bit of an upgrade if you're looking for an upgraded closet. Elfa Decor, which is the original like fancy wood Elfa, discontinued. Container Store, I'm mad at you, but Elfa Decor Plus still looks nice. And they have a really nice custom closet system called TCS Closets, or if it's just called custom closets, I don't know what it's called anymore. But anyway, that is the top of the line Elfa closet system. So they have 3 different tiers of closets depending on how fancy you want to be. This is affordable but still kind of fancy. Then you've got Elfa Decor Plus, and then you've got the custom closet. So lots of closet choices here at the Container Store, and these are custom fit to your space, by the way, so you can fit any space, how big or small, any space. All right, I'm done. Next is the water hyacinth bin collection. Ironically, I ran into one of my former coworkers here, and we were talking about how much we are obsessed with these because they've had them for a long time. They're so beautiful, and they're pretty affordable, and they're available in all these different sizes. They're beautiful natural material, and they have a wire frame so that they keep their shape. They are fantastic. One of my favorite things to organize with because it looks fancy, but it's not that fancy. You know what I mean? I am obsessed with these. There's the small ones, there's the medium ones, there's the big ones. They have all kinds of shapes and sizes. So they got something for every space. So if you come to the Container Store and you're looking for a beautiful organizing solution, water, Hyacinth. I love drawer organizers in general, but the everything collection from the Container Store, chef's kiss. Now, I do think or know that this collection was designed with professional organizers who made sure that this design was good for what they needed, and like the entire everything collection. And let me tell you, these drawer organizers are where it's at. They come in a variety of different sizes, and they're modular, and they're meant to fit together perfectly. There are no gaps. There's no like annoying. They don't move around. They're so good, because when they introduced these, they're like, oh, they're really good. They're professional organizers. I was like, yeah. No, they're good. These are good. I love drawer organizers in general. This whole aisle of drawer organizers. I can't even say that. But this is what you want. This is what you want. Next is the Like It system. So the Like It bricks, the Like It cabinet organizers, the Like It drawers. I like it. I love it all. This is such a good modular drawer system, and it just looks really pretty. I do think these are a little bit expensive, but they've held up over the years. They have looked beautiful and fitted to every space I've used them in, and I am obsessed with them and love them. They come in a white, a clear, and a black. I guess this is like a translucent black, so they've got something for every taste out there. Metro shelving and InterMetro shelving is that girl. If you have heavy stuff, if you have somewhere where you can't hang shelving on a wall, this is your answer. InterMetro is the industrial shelving that they have at the back of restaurants where they store pots and pans. You don't need that, but you might need the InterMetro residential version. Can hold almost as much weight, not as heavy duty as the steel, but super, super, super strong. You can move the shelves up and down. The posts come in a variety of sizes. You can add to the posts. They come in a variety of colors as well. It's such a good solution for any space you can't put shelving on a wall, or for something that's so heavy it might fall down, like fish tanks. I don't know. All right, last I would mention these amazing pot and pan organizers. They pull out of the cabinet so that you don't have to bend over and reach to the back of the cabinet, because ain't nobody got time for that. I don't have time for that. You don't have time for that. They come in a variety of widths. There is a pot and pan holder. I don't even know if you can see where the camera is, but it's amazing for holding pan lids, and these are a great solution. I want to make a special honorable mention for the Elfa door and wall rack. We have it on every door in our apartment, and it's so useful. You can move it up and down. You can move it from apartment to apartment. These do not have to adhere to the door. You can nail them to the door, but you can just put them over the door. So we've taken them to rentals, other apartments we've owned. They are fantastic. You can move the baskets up and down. You can move the baskets out of the space. So if you're like, let's say you have all this baking supplies in one basket, you can just take the basket off and move it to your space. It's so good. Love it. I just want to mention two more things before I end the video. You know I love command hooks. I did a whole video on command hooks. These are the best for renters and people who don't want to make holes in the wall. They've got one to hang anything you want. The other thing I want to recommend is Simple Human products, in particular the tension caddy. We have had that thing for like 12 years and it's still going strong. It's the best. Simple Human, they stand by their quality. They make great products. Highly recommend. Anyway, I want to thank you all for coming with me on this video journey. I did not film an outro to this one. I don't know what was going on that day, but I love the Container Store. I'm so glad they're back to their basics. All you need to do is sell organizing products. That's all I want to say. Like, I just need things to organize my home. I need drawers, bins, boxes, all that stuff. Thank you for going back to bed. Cleaning stuff. Hey, hallelujah. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.